Hello students, in this session we are going to discuss about the SOP2. So the question is, we have to create a web page using HTML and CSS code to design a web page as the layout which is displayed here. So this is the layout, and we can see that the section, there are three sections. We will find a top section and a left section and a right section. So the top section has got the heading as the tourist places, and the left section has got the list of cities, and the right hand side displays the tourist places of any one cities. So we have to use an inline style sheet in the top section to display the background color for the text tourist place. We can see the background color is blue and the text is pink. And for defining the left and the right section, we have to use an internal style sheet which will have background color and font style. So this is a white, or you can even have pink, yellow in color, and this section, the right section, will be pink in color. So we'll just go through the code. So this is final. You will get the output. It will look like this. You will have the top section with the blue background, and the tourist place should be blue in color. So I have not changed it. Let me just change it and make the color just refresh it. Okay, so right now it is correct. So the tourist places should be pink in color while the background should be blue. The left should be yellow and the right should be with a pink background. And this is an ordered list, and this will be an unordered list. Let us go to the code. You can find the code here. So this is the doc HTML, which will give the flavor of HTML5, the first statement of the code, and then you will have the normal HTML. Okay. So you will have the head, then you will define the style, which will make use of the two sections, the aside and the section. Aside will have the background color pink, width will be 50% because it is going to have two columns, right? It will have two columns, so it will be 50 each, and the height will be as per the requirement. It can be less than 100. You can give any height of your the way you want. And we are making use of the float property here, and float is left, because we want the first column to be aligned, the side to be aligned to the left. Then we have the section which has got the background color yellow, width is 50%, height is 20%, and again the float is left. Then we will close the style tag. Now we are making use of the internal style sheet here. Then we will begin the body. So within the body will be making use of the inline style for giving a style to the header tag. So just by giving the style along with the header, we can have the inline style. So background color is blue and the text color will be pink, and height will be 50%. Then we can make use of the H1 tag to display the header, tourist places. And then within the section, once we have defined the style here, automatically this entire styles will be applied to this entire section tag area. So whatever is within the opening and the closing of the section, all the tags will have this property applied. So we have used an ordered list type, and we are having the numbering beginning from 1, and you have got the list elements, the different names of the city, and then you close the section tag, and then you have begin the aside tag. Now aside tag will be just at the right section, and then we are using a bold tag to name the tourist places in Pune and making use of unordered list for defining the different tourist places in Pune. Then you have the list item tag for every element tourist place in Pune. You close the unordered list and finally you close the aside tag. And then you close the body and then finally you close the HTML. So this is how you will write the code for it. I hope you have understood, and this is the output for it. So this is we are making use of the aside and section to give the display the data in the column and the column format. Okay, we are not making use of any table, but we are making use of the tags, the header, the section and the aside tags for declaring all this city and the tourist places. I hope you have understood. Thank you.